So this is Batakunku, yeah. This Batakunku, yeah, yeah. So that's the plot here. You can see it goes up to there. It's 135 by 90. The front line to the beach is 90, and then inside is 135 going for sale, yeah, in Batakunku sea view. So now look, this is like a corner park. This a way, this a way, this another way, yeah, and this also a way to the beach, just 135 meter. Then you have the ozone. So this is the plot here, okay. This is the plot. This is 135 by 90. The front line to the beach is 90. It's second row. So I want to show the ocean. I'm going to show the ocean. I'm still now taking the plot. This side is the 135. Yeah. It's the 135. Yeah, I'm still going. It's big. You can see the ozone there. Yeah. It's all part of the land. As I said, this is the 135 inside and 90 to the front line to the beach. Sure. Now you come. So you can see this house is the fourth row. This is the fourth row, yeah. So you come where it ends. This is the 135 from where I came. 135 there, yeah. 135, yeah, by 90. The front line is 90, yeah, 90 meter, yeah. So it ends here. So this is a way also, yeah. This is also a way, yeah. And this is to the beach. As you can see the ocean, yeah. That's the ocean, yeah. Yeah. That's the ocean, yeah. You see? It's the second row, yeah. Yeah. This goes down to the ocean this way. So this is the land here. Yeah. This is the land. This is the land, yeah. And that's the ocean. You see? Batakunku, second row, yeah.